Guys, what's going on? Happy Monday, and the market is green. In today's video, we're talking about altcoins. Of course, we will be covering what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum and some other coins I'm watching, as well as in general the altcoin market. Some very interesting news as well with Pavel Durov, Telegram founder. We're going to be talking about Toncoin as well. I'll update you, of course, on my trades, and I'm going to be doing some trading with you at some point in the video as well, so don't miss that. I'll be sharing with you what kind of trades I'm doing. So guys, smash the like button. Happy Monday. Let's get into today's video. We'll kick things off just taking a look at the market. We can see with the top 100 coins with today, the market's generally green with Cake. That's Pancake Swap leading the way. Interesting. That could be a sign, another sign, let's say, of altcoin season to come. Great, guys. I can see 50 of us in the stream at the moment. Smash the like. Everyone hit the like button. We're doing this every day, 12:30, maybe 1 p.m. GMT. Let's talk about the market today. Bitcoin. Okay, so we're going to start on the slightly higher time frame with some interesting historic terms going into the lower time frame for Bitcoin. But what we can see happening is a clear repeat of what we saw in the 2016-2017 cycle. If you were a part of crypto then, let me know. Were you buying crypto in 2016, 2017? And more importantly, did you hold? I didn't, unfortunately. Anyway, so 2016, 2017, we saw this 1, 2, 3 play out in the RSI. You can see the relative strength index, or maybe you can't because my head's in the way. There it is, popping above my head there. And we can see this kind of grinding up momentum. Same thing that we've been seeing lately. And then ultimately, we get the big breakout into the major bull market time. And we can see the same setup playing out now for Bitcoin. Now, if we look at kind of the monthly chart here for Bitcoin, we can see that we're still being very well supported by the weekly moving average. This is the 50-day moving average on the weekly chart. The moving average is at $75,000. As long as Bitcoin holds above that level, and you can see this key line in the sand as well, which is about $69,000 to $70,000 Bitcoin as well. It's this line here. You can see more clearly on my chart, this big cup and handle pattern for Bitcoin. We're still in an uptrend, and this correction, let me show you, this correction of 30% is no different to the consolidation and correction we got of 30% back earlier and most of 2024. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. This video is more about the altcoins that are pumping right now and altcoin season, which I believe is starting. Huge narrative playing out. We will talk more about that. Where is it? We're going to talk more about this chart, so stay tuned for that. Very important, because this is where some of the biggest gains are made right now. But we're going to quickly uncover Ethereum as well. Ethereum, in my opinion, this is one of the best charts for charting Ethereum right now. It looks to me like Ethereum is very much copying Bitcoin's 2019-2020, where you can see we had this pretty clear phase where Bitcoin was kind of chopping around the major support, the major resistance. That was all at kind of in the kind of $5,000 level. Ethereum seems to be doing the same. You have this kind of top kind of pattern, this kind of final shakeout, which in my opinion we're in. And we can see Ethereum is at a critical level. And it's best seen actually with this chart. Now, this Ethereum chart is a weekly chart. And it shows that the support line is still very intact, where we've had multiple touch points. This is kind of the bear market support band or resistance in bear markets. You can see when COVID came, it will support. The lunar crash, that was kind of the 2021 after the bull market top. And then we recently had the Bybit hack. And this is a support line, in my opinion, for Ethereum. And that support line can go as low as kind of $1,500. I mean, on the lower time frame for Ethereum, you might see another leg down. We might see, again, a retest of this $1,800 level. I mean, we saw it a couple of weeks ago, right? If we don't, we do have a major resistance level at $1,900. I do have an Ethereum trade open, but I'm prepared for the price to come back down, even as low as $1,500–$1,600. It's a possibility. I will keep this position open and keep adding to that as Ethereum basically takes new levels. The levels are $1,900, $1,950, $2,000, and then we really can start creating a bigger move to higher prices, of course, for Ethereum. I will update you more on these trades, and like I said, I'm going to open some more trades, and anyone that wants to trade without the bother of KYC, without the bother of VPNs, 𝗕𝗓𝗕𝗫 is a great platform, guys. A link in the description below. You can get some free crypto. You can get up to 30k bonus when you deposit a lot of money, but there's a $100 easy bonus for just depositing as little as $50 there. So link in the description. Also Blowfin, Bybit, great crypto trading platforms there. So the next chart I want to move on to and speak about actually is the following. Where did it go? Okay, I wanted to talk about this chart, this Head and Shoulders chart, which is the Head and Shoulders chart for Total 3. Total 3, guys, is the crypto market cap, but it excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so basically altcoins, and after that we're going to look at an even more aggressive version of that, which is the others chart, which excludes the top 10 altcoins. So really looking at the lower caps where the opportunities are. But yeah, we can see an inverse Head and Shoulders pattern. We went into the bear market of 2022, 2023, and we've basically just really tested the support of this Head and Shoulders pattern, inverse Head and Shoulders pattern. The next target, the next move up should propel the altcoin market to $1.5 trillion. It's currently actually about 800 billion in market cap. This is the others chart. So like Total 3 that excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, this includes 8 other major altcoins as well, like Solana, XRP, Cardano, for example. This is the real low cap gems. We can see the 20-day moving average, this blue line, is being tested now for a breakout. We have this falling wedge. But it's important, very important, that the others chart reclaims this 230 billion market cap, because once it does that, you can expect a big move to the next major level, which is this orange line here. I believe that's the 100-day moving average, and that could take us back up to $280 billion. So altcoins are looking favorable. Obviously, like I showed you on this banter bubbles chart, the top 1 to 100 are doing well, but you know, if you go into the monthly, it's still very much red. Weekly, today's looking bullish, but we need to start getting some green weeks, some green months, for it to really start moving. That's really, really important. We need to see that. Now this chart, this one is Solana. I want to move on to Solana because we've of course had this huge sell-off in Solana over the last few weeks, actually the last couple of months since December. I believe we also have a cup and handle pattern and a major horizontal support at this major level. It's about $110. We've touched that multiple times, and we're now seeing a great opportunity in Solana and a long trade. So we're going to open a long trade here on Solana together, and I'm going to talk you through some of the stop loss and take profit levels. So on 𝗕𝗓𝗕𝗫, we're going to open this position. We're going to go futures, okay? And we're already in the futures chart, but we need Solana. So we're going to type in Sol. You can trade altcoins, meme coins on 𝗕𝗓𝗕𝗫, a great trading platform. And the current price of Solana is $128. So we're going to bring up the Solana chart here. We're going to use a bit of leverage, but not too high. We're going to use about 5x. 5x leverage should be about right for this, which means we're using 5 times our own money, which means we make 5 times the gains. But risk warning, it can mean 5 times the losses as well. Okay, so that's important to bear in mind. So we're going to enter at the current price using 5x leverage. I've currently got $8,000 available here. I'm not going to use all of that. I'm going to use 20% of that, so about $1,600 of my own money. But so it's costing me $1,600, but it's an $8,000 position because it's 5x leverage. So we're going to open that long trade. We're going to press confirm. And now I've got a long trade open for Solana. So let's talk about the take profit levels here and what I'm looking at in the chart. So for Solana, let's have a look together. No, that's not Solana chart. We basically want to be eyeing up the next major level of resistance. And for me, as a take profit one, you have to look at the psychological level of this point here, which is about $150. Okay, but we want to set a stop loss first beneath this horizontal support. So the stop loss for me is going to be at about $92, say. So the way that we're going to do that, okay, we're going to basically look at our position. We're going to set a stop loss here. Maybe let me zoom in here so you can see it a bit clearer. So we're going to scroll across here. We're going to go stop loss, I understand. And we are going to put, as our trigger price, we're going to put $92, okay? And we're going to sell our entire position if we get to $92. It would mean we would lose $2,300. That's fine, and you'll see why in a minute. We're going to actually set our take profit according to the kind of higher band here. So you could see this level through here. I haven't drawn it as a line, but it goes through to about $170. And that's going to be our take profit level. So we're going to look at $170. I believe that's where the major level of resistance is going to come in the chart. And we've got about a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is okay, but we're only going to close 50% of the position at that level. So we're going to press confirm, and then we're going to set another take profit level for the remainder of our position at $200. Okay, and then we're going to sell the remaining position, which gives us a profit of $4,500. So we've got our take profit orders set. We've got our trade setup set. And we've got some other positions done as well. So that's the positions that I've currently have open. You can see I'm currently $500 or $400 in profit there for Ethereum. And then I've got a position on SPX 6900. You can trade meme coins there as well. $800 current profit there. Once again, anyone wants to trade on Wix, really easy platform, and the link is in the description below for bonuses. And of course, I have trading tutorials as well. The next chart I want to talk about, guys, is this very interesting chart on Pancake Swap for Cake. You can see massive breakout, 36% pump currently in the chart today, signifying maybe more people are going to use BNB chain. A lot of people, of course, using Solana leading up to kind of December, January time. Maybe we're switching to BNB. A lot of people obviously got stung on Solana meme coin. So maybe it's all about Cake. We can see for the Cake chart, we have a very nice breakout in motion here. And the next target is actually huge, up to that $3.30 level. So we're also going to open a position here for Cake on Wix. So we're going to go here. We're going to type in Cake. Okay, you can see 34% up today. I'm not going to use too much leverage again because highly volatile. We don't want to be liquidated and we want to protect any liquidation potential as well. But we're going to open a position here for Cake. Oh, we went into Ethereum. Let's go back into Pancake Swap Cake. And we are going to open a trade here. We now have $6,500 available. We're using 5x leverage. I'm only going to use 20% of the remainder, which is $1,300 of our own money, which means it's about a $6,000-7,000 position. And we've opened that trade. The take profit is going to be what we saw in the chart. Okay, so about $3.30. And we're going to sell all of that, and that will give us approximately a $2,000 profit there. We want to have a stop loss. The stop loss for me, on this cake chart needs to be comfortably back below the breakout. So I'm looking at about $1.95 for the stop loss, giving us a nice risk to reward ratio. So let's do that. Let's do it at $1.95 below that psychological level, and we will sell the entire position at that level. So yeah, we can make a few $1,000s, potentially risking about $1,400. So a nice risk to reward trade for me. You can see we're currently already $12 in profit. We've just made $12 in the last 12 seconds. So very nice trade there potentially. So that's cake. Very bullish on that. There is some big news actually happening with Telegram and TON. Elon Musk, big interview there, and basically the founder Pavel Durov, he was in prison, maybe wrongly accused, but he has now bought the Telegram username at Elon Musk for Elon. So that's a big sign, and TON's been doing very well and pumping, maybe as a result of that. So interesting news for the TON coin, but on the lower time frame I'd be careful because it's forming a double top pattern. So I'm not going to open any trades on TON right now, but you can trade TON there as well. And speaking of Telegram, for anyone that wants to use AI to analyze, check out this Telegram bot, CoinGPT. CoinGPT bot is your ultimate AI trading assistant. You can do everything on there. For example, let's have a look together. We can analyze TON, so I could do /TON, and you can see it's giving us up-to-date market information as well. There's a brand new feature actually I have to share with you for CoinGPT. By the way, the link for CoinGPT is in the description as well. TON on the 1 hour time frame using live data and AI. It's giving us a neutral bias, but of course we could change the time frame. We might get a different bias there. Let's have a look at the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame is giving us a long signal. Okay, so long, bullish on TON. So very cool feature. CoinGPT, link in the description. It's free. You can analyze any coin. And the cool thing I wanted to show you, if you go to analyze, you can actually find coins by trading indicators conditions as well. I'm going to click scanner. And let's say you wanted to use, I don't know, the bullish breakout indicator. Let's see if there's been any bullish breakouts, and we can select the time frame. Let's do the 1 hour time frame, and it's giving us all the coins that meet the 1 hour time frame indicator on the bullish breakout. And the bullish breakout, for example, lets us know when the price crosses above the 200-day moving average. We can do it on the lower time frame. So this is the 15-minute, nothing to talk of. The 30-minute, here are some coins. These are the only coins that have broken out on the 30-minute on the bullish breakout. So some great way of finding some bullish setups by using any of these indicators. We'll do another one on the RSI. Let's say we wanted to see if anything's overbought, maybe some shorting opportunities. Anything overbought on the 15-minute time frame? Quite a lot. Anything on the 1 hour? Quite a lot. Probably because we've seen a lot of sell-offs recently. But if we go oversold, looking for a bullish breakout, and we do the 1 hour, we're seeing maybe on the 15-minute we're seeing a select few. So these coins have the lowest RSI on the 15-minute time frame, so maybe looking poised for a big breakout. So CoinGPT, really powerful tool for your trading of altcoins, meme coins, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. Guys, if you're joining us or you've been watching for a while, have the like button smashed, guys. It really helps, and have the bell turned on. Whether you're watching on X, you can retweet, share. Thank you so much for everyone that tuned in today. You can watch this later, of course, with chapters down below. Let me know in the comments, are you bullish? Do you think we're seeing a reversal in the chart right now? Bitcoin, as you know, is gearing up for another big move. We're just seeing a consolidation at the moment, in my opinion. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I am streaming every day with the latest market updates at 12:30 p.m. GMT, which is, I believe, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch up on another stream very soon. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.